Hi, it's Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories. As you know, I'm still suffering with a little Bell's palsy, but who cares, right? Let's go ahead and do the video. I got a new item, and you know me, I love the new items. And today we have a Undercover Triad. What the heck is that? Well, this is the first one we've done in the store. I'm going to tell you the good stuff, and I will tell you the negative stuff. So let's come over here and let's take a look at it. What do we have? Well, we have a Nissan Frontier, and as you know, I love doing the Nissans. I feel like they don't get enough love. Everyone does the Ford F-150. They never do the Nissans or the Hondas and some of the other trucks out there. But we're doing it here now. This is a folding hardcover. Now let's go over some of the things it does. This holds 600 pounds, which is going to be the highest of pretty much of the folding cover. So it's going to hold a lot of weight. That's one of the positive things. One of the negative things, it's not a three-fold. So we're going to go over that right now. So you can take a look on it. It looks really good on this Nissan. Let's go inside here and take a look now. For the video, this right here locks into here. So basically this is going to slide underneath there, locks into place. It's kind of old school, to be honest with you. This has been around forever, okay? Again, you can see that that's one of the ways they save money. It does have a triple seal here in the tailgate, so it's going to help with the water. And this does have a little shorter warranty. Most of the undercovers have a 5-year warranty. This has got a 3-year warranty. Now, again, I'm telling you the good, I'm telling you the bad. One of the good things is the price. The reason they brought this one out is because they wanted a lower price point. And this one's going to be several $100s less than the Undercover Ultraflex. So that'll save you some money. Now you can see it folds all the way up here. Now one thing you do not get with this, if you notice, there's no drainage system here. Okay, basically it sits right here in the top here, where the other models like the Armorflex and the Ultraflex have a drain system. This one does not get that, so keep that in mind. Now it does have the other things here. It locks into place. You can drive with it partially open here. Let me go ahead and loosen these up. And as you can see, it's very similar. It's going to go right in there. Lock that in there, and you can drive with it open. Now, like I said before, this does not have the third fold. This is where it stops. So this, you save some money, but you lose some of the cool stuff that the other models have. So keep that in mind. So it holds more weight. The price is better. There's some of the positive things on there. Negative thing here, no drainage system, does not have the third fold. But again, if you're not saying, well, I'll probably never use that, you know, I don't need the whole bed all the time, this is fine for me. This customer, that's perfect for him. So that worked out just fine. But again, I like to tell you the pros and cons. So again, it's got the 3-year warranty. Now, if we install it for you like this guy we did here, you're going to get double the warranty. So it's going to go from a 3-year to a 6-year warranty. So that's really, really good. So 6 years, I think, is really good. And of course, if we install it, it's going to have the 1-year labor guarantee as well. Also, let me go open it up. If you notice, we did the bedrug in here. Now, this bottle here had the racks in the bottom here, and he actually had a lot of paint on the floor here. And I said, well, the best thing to do is put a little bedrug on. You can't cover it up. And it had some stuff on this side, so I took a little spray paint and cleaned it up for him. So it looks really good inside there. And the bedrug, it's going to be really nice. It'll keep things from moving around. Now, if you go online, it's going to say this bedrug is not necessarily made for this. It is. It just, you can't use the hardware kit that comes with it. You have to use the self-tapper to hold it in place. But beyond that, everything else works just fine, and his bed looks really good. As you know, I love bedrug. I have it in my personal vehicle, and I sell the heck out of bedrug because it is a great product. I cannot say enough about it. I love it a lot. Okay, again, this is the Undercover Triad, 3-year warranty, holds 600 pounds, triple seal at the end here. Again, when I close it, this comes down and this locks into that spot. As you can see, like I said, it's an old school setup, but hey, you know what? It works just fine. And of course, we did the bedrug on this as well. So let me go and lock it in here. It's going to take, there you go. Not too hard. Now, you say, you know what? I like it, Chris. How do I get it? How do I find out the price? Well, on the bottom of the video, I will have a link to the website. You can go right to the website. It'll show you the current price for your whatever model you have. A lot of times people ask me, hey, send me the price. And I usually don't write it on YouTube because the prices are constantly changing. So once you put it on there, my videos are up for years. So 5 years from now, I say, well, you said 5 years ago it was worth X amount of dollars. That's why I never tell you the prices on there. You have to go to the website because the prices are up to date on there. And again, you get your 3-year warranty, holds 600 pounds. We can ship it anywhere in the country. So keep that in mind. You live in Puerto Rico, you live in Hawaii, you live in California. By the way, thank you for all the orders I'm getting from California. And Texas, man, Texas and California, giving me a lot of love. Gotta love it. And again, if you like what you see, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I'm sorry I'm looking a little funky, but can't do anything about it right now. But hey, you know what? Eventually you won't see this. It'll go away on its own. So maybe a few more videos, I'll be back to normal again. Again, it's Chris at C&H Auto Accessories doing a review, Undercover Triad on a Nissan Frontier. Thank you.